It's me, Rachel. Guess what? It's snowing. I don't know how much more we're gonna get. I didn't even want to look. But let me show you what we got already. You may hear Charlie in the background. He is snow blowing. But check this out. So, as of right now, we have 6 inches. And guess what? We had none, barely, except for in the shady spots. Everything was pretty much gone. And now we have this. So, while everyone else is experiencing springtime, we have snow again. And it's been an interesting morning. The clouds came by. I'm going down the steps, I don't want to fall. The clouds came by. And let me get past this. It's following behind me making noise. So, everything has snow on it. Looks pretty, but let me show you what the plows did. I don't know if you can see, but we have these big, huge piles of snow at the end of our driveway, because that's what happens when the plows go by. So, yeah. Anyway, everything's covered again. I'm thinking that it might actually snow more today. Well, than it did this whole winter. We will find out. Keep warm, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video.